In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on the Google Docs toolbar. This tutorial is designed to help you better view and work within your documents, especially if you find the default toolbar size a bit too small for your liking. Within the next 5 minutes, you'll master this simple yet effective technique. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access your Google Drive. For many of us, Google Drive is the gateway to all our documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. So, go ahead and open your preferred web browser. Once it's up, navigate to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Go ahead and type in your email address and password, then click Next. This step is pretty straightforward and is something you probably do quite often. With your Google Drive open, locate the document you want to work on and open it. The Google Docs interface should look familiar to you, with the toolbar at the top housing all the functionalities like font style, size, bold, italics, etc. However, if you're finding everything a bit too small to see comfortably, here's where our main tip comes into play. Take a look at your browser's top right corner. You should see 3 dots or perhaps a different icon depending on your browser, which represents the browser menu. This tiny icon is your ally in adjusting the view to your comfort level. Click on it to open the menu. Amidst the various options, you're looking for one specifically labeled zoom. Upon clicking it, you're presented with a plus and which allow you to enlarge or reduce the size of the content on your screen respectively. Now this part is key. As you increase the zoom level, not only does the text within your document get bigger, but so does the toolbar at the top of the Google Docs interface. Incrementally adjust the zoom to find a level that suits your preference. It's a simple trick, but it significantly enhances your ability to interact with the toolbar options more comfortably without squinting or straining your eyes. It's important to mention that zooming in this way affects the entire web page, not just the toolbar or the document content specifically. So don't be surprised if everything else on the page also appears larger. And there you have it. No more struggling to see those tiny icons on the Google Docs toolbar. This method not only improves your efficiency, but also your overall experience while working on your documents. Remember, a comfortable workspace is a productive workspace. Experiment with different zoom levels until you find the perfect balance for your needs. And don't forget, this technique isn't limited to just Google Docs. You can use it on virtually any web page. So go ahead, give your eyes a break, and zoom your way to a better viewing experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial brings a little more ease and comfort to your document editing process.